Hey, good Friday morning, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage, part 2 of our 1998 F-150. And I can just barely back this baby in and have enough room to get around to the front. So that's going to work good. Got the hood open today. Got a little press stone on standby. Going to give her a fresh drink of Mobil 1 with an FL1A filter. My nephew's coming up tonight. He's going to try to buff out this paint for now. And I'll tell you what else we found on this. Engine is very clean. Took it outside yesterday and put a little degreaser on it. Got some of the old dust off it. Did find out that the coolant sensor is bad, not the gauge. I took the lead down off the motor, which was a real joy to get to. I can't wait to change it. But grounded it out and the gauge is alive, so looks like a bad sender unit, and that's up over the starter on the other side. But the interior on this is just floors me. Got on Walmart Plus. They dropped off some new floor mats. Messed around with the radio a little bit. I don't think that's ever been moved. The volume control is real scratchy, but I keep working it back and forth. Got the classic black ice to freshen her up in here. Wipe down the dash a bit. Put a new dome light in. Everything else seems to work. Doors are in real nice shape. Cleaned out the tons of water in here. I found a rag stuffed in a hole there, so I pulled that rag out and unclogged that hole, and a lot of this water came out. Looks like we got a bent tailgate. I went to open it up and the other side pops out because the bottom was hitting the bumper, but I had it out a little bit messing with it. I put it up on a couple 6x6s and put a rag on top and got a little bit of it out, but I got to press a little bit more in the middle, and I think our tailgate's okay. At least it latches, but it come off easy. And this only has the single tank, which I like, because I see way too many videos on there where they're messing with that fuel selector. But might have a problem with the sending unit. I don't know. It only comes up to half full. I tried putting gas in it on the way home and it wouldn't take anymore. So I'm wondering if I got a full tank and maybe the sending unit is going bad, or just not from driving. You know, I drive it around a little bit, it might bounce back to life. But we'll have another video tonight when my nephew gets this starting to buff this out, see if we can bring a little bit of the original paint back. So we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.